Day 168, 19th of August. We went back to a pretty nice hostel last night.
Yeah, kind of far off trail, but
yeah. Went clear back to Lancaster, but Iceman took me home with him. He didn't find nowhere else to drop me off, so. And well, we had a very good supper, and I think well, they probably went out of their way for the pork chops.
no.
And ice cream and some fresh peaches. Yeah, and washed clothes and a shower, and I had a bed, so yeah.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, it was pretty good. Dried my shoes out on a fan, but of course they're gonna get wet here in the morning, I think. But we're at route, what did I say it was?
6:45.
6:45. This is where we quit last night, and we're gonna start, maybe do 17 miles a day and tent camp somewhere.
Right.
And I think we're supposed to be okay on the rain today.
Yeah.
Lancaster said it was going to be okay. Haven't really checked much here. Alrighty. I don't know, he hasn't got tired of driving me around yet, so we're getting close to the end.
Getting awful close.
So we're just going to keep going. William Penn Shelter. Okay. It's down the blue trail that way. Water's down the blue trail that way. The AT goes this way. Well, there's a campsite or so right there too. A couple places for tents. Yeah, feet getting a little wet on this grass. Trail hasn't been too bad so far from the road. I'll keep going. I don't know, this white blade's covered up. I gotta check to see if I'm still on trail. Well, this is my view for today. Like it's a little bit clearer, I can see a long ways. Put my sticks down here where I can zoom in some stuff. See a pond or something right there, don't look too bad. Pond over there. Well, just left lunch with Iceman. Had 2 hamburgers, slaw, potato salad, sweet tea. Getting back on the trail. Walking across this bridge, I thought it looked kind of neat. Old metal bridge. I dropped my sticks here. Looks like the water is pretty muddy. They had heavy rain last night too. We had it at Iceman's place, and Lancaster had heavy rain. Lightning and thunder. Yeah, it looks muddy. It's what happens when you get heavy rain, washes all the soil into the river. Alrighty, I got good news. Iceman's gonna meet me in 2.1 miles. And in between here and there, on his drive, there's a Wendy's. And he's gonna get a Frosty for me. So I hope I got room for it. He just fed me, boy, I'm really full. Alrighty, I'll get going. I think it's up that way. Well, that's my creek crossing for today. A tree over to a board. So like it's been there quite a while. Iceman knew about it. He told me I had to be crossing a tree. Alright. This is my trail. Looks like it's pretty nice, smooth, maybe through some pines. Yeah, looks like thick pines. It might even be kind of dark. I'm not sure what kind of bees they are. Really stirred up around the bottom of this stump. Can you see them all up in the air there? I wonder if this tree just fell. It was down around the bottom of this stump. I think while they're all up in the air, I'm gonna try to get around this thing. I think that tree must have just fell. As you can see, just hundreds of bees. I think they're honeybees, must have been in that tree. Alright, I'm gonna get on out of here. Trying to sprinkle, it's kind of hot. I got sweat rolling down my face. Keep going. Okay, supposed to be water across the trail. Beaver Dam flooded it. I can take the alternate dry route. It's a little further. It'd be down that way. But I'm going this way. Iceman said the last he heard you can get through. So that's what I'm gonna do. Even though we had a hard rain yesterday. See if I can get through here. Got a little bit of a breeze, a little bit of cloud cover. So it doesn't feel too bad. Well, I've been doing okay across the Beaver Dam. I came from that way. This is where it might get a little tricky. I have to go across here. There's a bunch of wood, but I think when I step on it, it's going to start going down. Pretty swampy. I'll see if I can get across here. If not, I'm just going to get wet feet because I'm not going to go back. Well, so far I made it to here. Yeah, my feet are a little wet, but I still got to make it over there. Maybe over to that board. Probably have to continue on right through there though. Look how far my poles go in. Yeah, it's definitely flooded. I think I can make the rest of it. Okay, I made it. Yeah, your feet sink in just a little bit, but that was probably better than going around. Alright, I gotta get up in here to the woods and keep going a little further. Crossing a little stream here. Okay. Looks like old railroad bed. Let's see how far we walk on this. Well, it's a little after 6. It's trying to sprinkle. I hear it hitting the trees above me. But I got a tent set up practically on the trail here. Kind of underneath 2 pines here. That's the trail, and that's my tent. Got a rock here. Hope nobody trips over it, but haven't seen hardly anybody. Right up there's the blue trail. Iceman, he walked in with my pack, and then he walked north to meet me with my pack. I tried to take it from him. He kept walking with it. He's trying to get in shape for a hike he wants to do. He's going back to his truck. I'm gonna crawl in here and eat a mountain house meal. Try to rest up. I didn't feel real powerful today, even though I've been eating good for quite a while now. So, all right, Iceman's gonna walk in and take my pack for me, and I'm gonna slack pack again tomorrow. I think he said it was like 7/10 to the side trail. So he's getting the workout. Getting the workout, taking care of me so I can take it easy. It just don't seem right, does it? But I sure appreciate him.